Welcome guys, this is Bless. In this video we are going to create birthday flyer and it's going to be exceptional one. Okay, before we are doing all this, make sure you get the background right, get the other things right before we move on. Okay, without further ado, let's just open our PS Touch. Actually, I'm using PS Touch for background manipulation. This is PS Touch and we are working with background manipulation and we're going to blend the image together. So now click over here and photo library, and let's go. Oh, sorry, let's start again. Sorry. Okay, let's start with blank document so that we are going to have our size. I'm working with 1200 by 1500. Okay, that's portraits, form of portrait. So I make like this, then I'll come to this plus icon to import my photos, my images. Okay, let's click, and I'm going to background. Okay, we are looking for a perfect background for this design, and which we should import this. Okay, then let me reduce it little, so I want it like this, then mark. Okay, you can see how it is now. I'm still going to import another background, but no, let me delete this, but no, let me go to photo library. I'm importing another things now. Let me look for the one that is going to make my design look more beautiful. What if we use this? Okay, but I'm taking it to the back. No, let me hide this one. I'm using only one. Okay, now this one, you can see how it is, but this one I will now blend it to. Please pay attention on this blending. Okay, you can see how it is now, but if you look, you can see that the upper one is very light. So I will now come over here, come to color balancing, then red, green. I reduce the green, but I will increase the blue so that it's going to blend together. Then come to search. It's too much, that blue is too much. Come back again, or let me undo. So I have to reduce this blue. So this is what I want. Then brightness and contrast, I have to decrease the brightness in little and contrast and increase it in little, so that it's going to be a special. Alright, the saturation reduce little. Okay, this is what I want. This is what I want. The next thing now, import the image, the photo I'm using for this birthday flyer. So no, okay, which image I should use? Okay, let me use this one. I'm using this image. Okay, this is private. Okay, this is good now. Okay, the next thing I'm working with, I'm importing another image, that another photo that I can blend to this. Just be watching me. Okay. Okay, this is it. But I just import it. I don't know, maybe it's going to work, but let me just try it. Okay, and the next thing, I have to fade this and bring it like this. Okay, you can see how it's look. Now I will now blend this to the background color. So increase the red, blue, green, increase it but red. Okay, I think let's play around very well so that we're going to get the right things. And if we don't get it yet, you can just blend another things on it. You can see I'm just playing around so that, okay, let's import another things. I will just make it two things, it blends to it. But okay, still looking for, okay, yes, let me blend this one to it. Let me blend it. So come over to blend. Okay, now I'll now take it to the back of that light if it's going to work. No, okay, let me work on this light. Actually, maybe I should just remove that light away. Let me remove that light. Now, this one, let me just blend it very well now so that, okay, I think it's private now. It's private. Let me take this light to the back. Actually, I don't see the work again, sir. Okay, but it's perfect like this. But this image, I need saturation to be there. I need saturation, maybe -5. Okay, this is absolutely perfect. This is perfect. This is perfect. Okay, the next thing I'm doing now is to take it to Pixel Lab so that I can add the other things to it. I save it. Then just click. Let me check something. Okay, it's perfect. So just click over here, click on save, click on the image, click over here for PNG and click OK. After that, just go to Pixel Lab. Okay, now come over here and go to from gallery, and we are import this straight away. Okay, we can now see how it look. Okay, the next thing I'm working on, I'm bringing the paper icon. We want to use paper icon for something here. Okay, let me go to download. Let me see. Okay, there is something I just think say we should just think we should do now. Okay, let's just import this paper. Yeah, import this paper and I bring this in and I have to increase this. I will reduce this, increase it like this, increase this like this. Then let me just rotate it like this. Then I place it over here. Okay, okay. I place it like this. Then the next thing I will do to come to this icon, this lower side, it's not even sure, but just click on this transparency so that our design is gone. But you have to save it, just save it with PNG. Okay, the next thing, undo. Okay, once you undo, actually even you don't even need this design again, but just come over here, click on this and bring this design we have already, this background with image, and don't touch it at all, don't touch it. So look for size, or yes, relative size, and increase this to 100. Mark it and go back, go to saturation, no, go to color factors and come to saturation and decrease it and increase the contrast. Okay, like this, and mark it. Once you have done that, just save it as well. Save it. Now you can now undo to this level, or delete this one as well. Delete it. This paper we created, we save it with PNG. This one we can just leave it like this. Just leave it and come over to stroke. Give it stroke. Give it stroke. Maybe let's use white stroke with two stroke. Okay, now just go to gallery again, click on this plus icon, come over here and go and pick this one we save first. We save this is the we save it. Don't touch it also, and go to size relative size, increase it to 100 as well. Mark it and go to texture. If you don't understand, watch it again. Watch it again, and this one we save last. Just click on it and don't do anything, and just mark it. You can see what we achieve here. You can see what we achieve. Okay, this is what I just wish you should place in this side. So this first one we leave. You can just increase the stroke to make it well balanced. Let's increase this to 4 and lock everything. Okay, now the next thing, I'll now put the text there now. So I want to put congratulations. I decrease it. Okay, I decrease it. Now space it. Go to space and let's space it like this and give it shadow, and take the shadow down so that it's too much. this is perfect. This is perfect. Honestly, this is perfect. Okay, the next thing is to bring happy birthday. The next thing is to bring happy birthday. So let's no, I have one that I've downloaded. Just take your time. You can design your own, but I have one I have downloaded, or I have the one happy birthday I have. So I'm going to look for birthday folder. Where is it? Okay, let's try this. If the thing fine, we use it. If it is not fine, we don't use it. Okay, I think it look beautiful. It look beautiful. So just reduce it more. Okay, now you can now see how it is. You can now see how it is. Now then you can just put the name of the. Okay, let me copy this. Then I bring it down here. Then I have to put bless the name of the person, which is blessing. Just place it here. Don't space it. Don't space the name. So people the blessing. Okay, I think this is perfect. This is good. So if you have another things you could add, but I don't want my design to be noisy. This is good for me. This is good for me actually. It's good for me. But let me just look for something if it's going to be okay. Download. Think I have it in download. Okay, I have this. Copy, crop. Make this one small. Okay, this is absolutely good. Okay, the last things we are working on, you can take this. If your image is not good, take it to Snapseed and retouch it both. My picture, I've already worked on my picture before, so I don't need that. Then the last thing I will take it back to PS Touch. We'll take it back to PS Touch to add lights on it. So from back gallery, okay, pixel up. Okay, this is it. Now I will now add the light my design on. Yes, the lights. Let me try this. If it is going to good, I'm using it. If it is not, I will not use it. Come over here, take screen. It's good though, but it's look somehow. Okay. Yes. It's perfect like this. It's perfect like this. Yes. I love it like this. That's all. That's about it. But I can still duplicate the light, duplicate it to the other side, but Okay, but in this other side it's not going to be much again. Oh, so that it's working with balancing. Oh, this is absolutely good. It's absolutely good. And I think something comes to my mind now. Bluetooth. Okay, something comes to my mind that I should have this. Okay. Okay, actually you can type here too. So you can type here. So let me see what I'm typing. Um okay. Let me just reduce it. So enlarge it like this so that you will be able to undo it. Okay. Or let me do it like this. No, no, no. What I'm expecting is not there. So I'm leaving it like this. Okay. This is absolutely good. This look good. And I save it. Then this is final way to save. I think most of us we have learned that before. So save your work and subscribe on my YouTube channel. Subscribe, please. Can't you do that now? You don't like this video, me? If you like this video, so what are you going to do? I want you to like, subscribe, and share it. Share it to the other people. So thank you so much for watching this. Remain blessed. This is Blessing A-BLE Graphics. Thank you so much.